So we're making the mochi cake, right?
Yes. So I've already got my 1 3/4 cups of sugar.
1 3/4 cups of sugar.
And mochi flour.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of baking powder. 5 eggs.
5 little eggs.
Whisk that. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon each coconut extract
and the vanilla.
The pure vanilla extract. The nice thing about this recipe is it's very forgiving.
Is it?
You know, a little more sugar, a little bit more flour. So we're gonna keep going with the half coconut milk, half regular milk.
All right, slap a little butter in there.
All right, so the oven's at 350.
Yeah.
Already.
Now you're just gonna blend up some of this stuff here. You know, I don't bake a lot. Do you bake a lot?
I don't, no, but the kids like this.
The kids like this.
So now we're gonna mix the dry into the wet and do basically like a third at a time.
So you mentioned you have kids. How many do you have, Mike?
15.
15 kids, wow, that's amazing.
Just 3 boys.
3 boys.
3 boys and now a dog.
And now a dog. So how old are your kids?
14, freshman in high school, 11 and 9.
11 and 9. Yeah. Let's see how his pouring skills are. Wow, look at that, you're good.
How's that?
Let me open it up for you.
Sort of a nice brown crust.
Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, that looks good, man. It smells amazing. I want to eat that now.
It's cooled off.
Yes, it is.
This is for you.
Just the whole piece? And that's for you?
This is for me.
Okay, great.
Yeah, dig in.
You just dig in?
That's family style.
Let's do it.
Dig in.
Now look at the fluffiness of that. Oh man, and it's fluffy, but it's dense. Oh God, look at that. Oh my God. This is crazy good, man. Look at the inside of that. Look at that. Nice and soft. Look at that. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe and we'll be in touch.